Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mode Mechanic 757, working on a Kia, and this goes for any kind of vehicle. Customer was complaining that her brakes went straight to the floor. At first I thought it was a master cylinder. Looking at the master cylinder, she was missing fluid. That means she had a leak somewhere, but I could not see it. Upon doing the brake job, I'm going to pull off this mighty fine bolt right here, and you can see this caliper is history. The caliper has been using itself as the brake pad, and as you can see, that stuff that's fallen out. You can look inside the tire and you can see all the little glitter and glamour. That is actually the brake pad that fell apart completely. This brake pad was actually sitting up here lodged because it's metal to metal, and you can see the rotor is supposed to be smooth, but the back of the rotor where the pad was messing up looks like Saturn. And also you can see the thickness, thick, thin. This car cannot be driven and it's leaking right here. The piston in this caliper has pulled itself out so long because the brakes were non-existent. So she's going to need a new caliper with a bracket, new brake pads, new rotors, and have to bleed the brakes. If you hear a squeaky noise, change the brakes immediately. If you hear a grinding noise, do not drive the car anymore. You're playing Russian roulette with everybody's life, including your own. This is just a mechanic tip. Again, grinding noise, metal to metal, piston comes out too far, now it becomes the brake pad, which is not designed for, and that's why it's cockeyed. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.